Facebook Business Manager is a free and essential tool for effectively managing access to your Facebook pages, Instagram profiles, metapixels, audiences, ad accounts, and more. To create a business account in Business Manager, you need a Facebook profile. You will use your Facebook username and password to sign into Business Manager. In this video, I will show you how to create a Facebook Business Manager account. First, log in your Facebook profile. Then go to business.facebook.com/overview. Then click on Create an account. Then enter your business name. Then enter your name. Then enter your email ID. Then click on Submit. Now you have to go your email ID. Click on Social tab. Then you will get an email and click on the email. Now click on Confirm Now. Now scroll down. Click on Business Info. Now enter your business details. Click on Edit. Now enter your business name. Select your country. Enter your street address. After enter your all details, you have to click on Save. With Facebook Business Manager, you can manage everything from one place, making it easier to oversee your social media presence and advertising efforts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials and tips. Thank you.